There we go. There's only 2 tones and it activated.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Pike County, central DeWitt County, until 8:15 a.m. At 7:30 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Clinton, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Severe weather has been confirmed by emergency management. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clinton, Monticello, Farmer City, Mansfield, D-Land, Weldon, White Heath, DeWitt, Lodge, Lane, Galesville, Clinton Lake Dam, and Weldon Springs State Park. This includes the following highways. Interstate 72 between mile markers 166 and 170. Interstate 74 between mile markers 156 and 165.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio. All hazards. Station WXJ 75 in Springfield.